Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. So in this video I want to make a quick fix for the transition between the t-shirt and the logo. As you can see in this image here, the logo, the line is pretty obvious here and I don't want that. So there are two options to fix that. The first one is the most obvious and will be to select the layer here. So you select the logo layer, press Ctrl T on your keyboard and press and hold the Alt key, drag and drop to make it bigger, and then once you're satisfied, press the Enter key on your keyboard, and now the transition is much more smoother. There is no line that appears in here. The second one is you go to Google and you search for PNG file with the transparent background, and you can size your logo in whatever size you want. We can do even better with our animation, so let's try something different. I'm gonna delete those layers here. So select them and drag them to the trash. Okay. Let's say that I want this t-shirt to move from center to the left and then bring my logo from right to the center. So to do that, I'm gonna select my frame here and make sure you have the right layer selected here. And I'm gonna create a new frame, and this time I'm gonna drag and drop the t-shirt to the left. Okay, and then I'm gonna select those two frames. So remember, you select the first frame with the shift key on your keyboard, select the second frame, then I'm gonna make this animation here. I'm gonna add 5 layers, and as you can see, Photoshop automatically creates my animation for me. Okay, then I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna select also the layer here and push it all the way to the right. Okay, and then create a new frame and bring it back to the center. And then again, I'm gonna select those 2 frames and add some 5 frames in between, and here we are. So this is how you can tweak your animations. You can play with them. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.